guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Krakow kasi pinick up namin yung passport niya. Buti nga nandito na yung passport niya, so na-pick up niya. So ngayon, kumain naman kami dito sa Pizza Hut.
Swoje zamówienie z podświetlonej karty i naciśnij przycisk gotowy. Uważaj, może być gorąco.
This is only milk. Tea. Your coffee.
And this one we sauce.
Cześć, odbierz swoje zamówienie z podświetlonej karty i naciśnij przycisk gotowy. Dziękuję. Cześć.
Bye. Galing guys, oh. Nasa Pizza Hut kami. Galing, no? Tingnan natin, babalik yan dito. Galing, no? Para lang yan sa mga tamad. Wala silang service ko. Wala silang service crew dito sa Pizza Hut. Is it Pizza Hut, right? Wala silang service crew. Mga tamad. Oo na. Mga pang tamad lang eh. Nakarobot eh. Babalik yun. Tingnan natin. Abangan natin kasi yung order namin pizza. Yeah, have Pizza Hut there. So many fast food there in Philippines.
A mix from Pizza Hut. You can choose your own Pizza Hut melts and pair it with your choice of side and drink.
Guys, kakain kami dito sa Pizza Hut. Kaka-pick up niya lang ng kanyang passport. So, ayan. Nakuha na rin niya sa wakas yung passport niya. How many years, mahal ko? 11 months siya naghintay. Ay, hindi. Nandito na yung order namin pizza. Hindi pala nakarobot. Mahiya siguro. Ayan. Gutom ka na?
We have cheese inside.
This is Hawaiian? Ah, okay.
I'll put cheese inside.
So, ayun. Kain tayo. Spicy? Yummy niya. Ngayon na ulit ako nakakain ng Pizza Hut. It will hunt. So, kain tayo.
So spicy.
Bihira lang ako na kumain dito. Ay, nitong pizza. Na-miss ko lang pizza. Parang ignorant yung kakain. First time kumain. Ang laki ng ano nila dito is ko, ng pizza. Pero wala pang gaano customer kasi maaga pa dito. Mamaya nito madami.
I told you need big.
It's big already this one, yeah? Huh? This large.
Medium.
Yeah? Huh? Serious?
Small, medium, и big. Немаловато.
This 60 is looking, yeah?
Нет, 49.
Yeah. I told you the one 60.
Нет, because I put more meat, put more cheese. This is большой pizza.
No, I told you. You buy the big one. That's 60. 60 zloty. You didn't buy the one?
No, I buy 50 zlotys. But I thought more cheese, more meat.
Eh. Sabi ko kasi large yung bibilhin niya. Nakulangan. Eat mo na po eh. Maanghang kasi. Kusay.
Кушай, ты тоже кушай.
Masarap siya guys oh, kasi yung cheese talaga. Right mahal ko. It's yummy because so many cheese.
No, because I thought so put inside сюда.
Sarap siya. Eat mahal ko. What are you looking for?
What time? 10:22.
And then,
I always first food 3, 4. This morning, I just wake up normal day. Now I have cook. No, this too маленький for you. This was not for you. Or you want one gift?
kusay yan. Bibigay sa akin. Give me the one yours.
Не, на, bite.
Yeah.
Bite. Bite now.
Ang sweet. Eh, tumitingin ako dito sa mga market. Ang daming bibilhin guys. Kwarta lang wala. Right, Han? I want go shopping, but money,
But
nothing.
money don't want to go shopping because don't have.
Money is nothing.